Hello everyone, we will continue with Mistakes and Mysteries, Lesson A, Life Lessons, and we're gonna work with vocabulary. As you can see, we have the words aggravate, avoid, cast, deal with, identify, ignore, run into, and solve. We have to write a correct form of verb from the box after each sentence. Sometimes more than one answer is possible. So in this moment, you can pause the video and try to check out the answers with me. Or first on your book you can start writing your answers, and now we're gonna check it. So here we go. Number 1, we have cost. That's our answer. Number 2, we have aggravated. Number 3, solve. Number 4, ran into. Number 5, ignore. Number 6, deal with or solve. Number 7, identify. And finally 8, avoids or deals with. Remember to collocate the specific rule. Now we are describing third person singular and simple present, so therefore we have to add these letters at the end of the verb. Now let's gonna go to section 2, grammar. Choose the past modal or phrase or modal of obligation that best completes each sentence. Right here we have to choose the best one. Okay, now it's another time to pause the video and try to check out the answers with me. So here we go. So number 1, we have had to, needed to, didn't have to, shouldn't have but, was supposed to, and was supposed to again. So once just to show up here the answers. Had to represents obligation, needed to necessity, didn't have to, no obligation, should have its advisability, was supposed to expectation. Now let's gonna continue to the next part. In the next part, you are requested to complete the next phrases here, adding the next phrases using past modals or phrases of obligation. Look at the picture number 1. Look at the picture number 1. Make a left turn instead of a right turn. I should have made a left turn instead of right turn. Then in the second one, handing research paper. Now it's time to see the answers. You may pause the video at this moment. And here we go. So I should have made a left, I was supposed to hand in research paper today. I needed to pick up a friend from the airport, and finally I shouldn't have eaten a big lunch. Alright, now to complete this workbook part 1, we're gonna look to the brainstorming notes and add 2 more ideas to each category. Okay, so you're gonna add 2 more ideas and you're gonna create your own little brainstorming by adding 2 new entries, and here we have to complete a sentence with ideas from your brainstorming notes. So you need to, and you shouldn't when you apologize. And then choose one sentence you completed about the brainstorming, supporting ideas for each topic, then write a paragraph based on your brainstorming notes. So this is an example. You shouldn't make excuses when you apologize. You have to simply say you are sorry. For example, if you are late for an appointment, you should never say you were confused about the meeting time. Next, you shouldn't say your directions were bad. In addition, you shouldn't blame public transportation for your lateness. So this is an example of a paragraph, and then you're gonna make your own. Okay, so basically for this activity, you can write on a notebook or anywhere you're brainstorming here, but for this activity you are requested to write a short paragraph. So once again, for this activity you are requested to write a short paragraph. This is the activity of the workbook part 1. So I hope that you have a wonderful day and see you soon. Take care.